Most people treat ChatGPT like a magic. Type a question, hope something smart comes out of it. They think the secret is asking better questions or learning a few clever tricks. But here's the truth. Prompting is programming for people who hate code. You are not just asking, you are designing logic, behavior, and outcomes all in plain English. In this video, I will show you exactly how prompting works and how to get most out of it. Why your old prompts feel like a butter knives, how to write ones that cut like demon swords, and how to reuse them like tools or spells to get high-level results with no extra effort. I used to be the kind of person who just typed and hoped for the best. But after studying how AI really works and building tools, custom GPTs, and internal workflows for myself, I realized prompting isn't typing or asking questions. It's like programming, and it completely changed the way I work with AI. Number one, prompt shortness is everything. I still remember this moment when I first started using ChatGPT. I typed something like this: I want to learn marketing and don't know where to start. Tell me more about marketing. And it would give me a bunch of basic tips. I thought, okay, cool, and also kind of useless. Then one day I was watching anime. You know how in some shows the sword looks normal, but when it's finally unsheathed, it has this glowing aura and cuts through anything. That's when it hit me. The AI isn't the sword, your prompt is the sword. Weak prompt is equal to butter knife. It slides around, it can't cut through the surface level flaw. Let me show you what I mean. Butter knife prompt look like this. Tell me about marketing. Dull, generic, doesn't cut. Basic blade prompt. Give me 5 unique marketing strategies for SaaS startups targeting solopreneurs. It's clean, functional, not bad. Next, demon sword prompt. Act as a battle-hardened SaaS growth advisor with 10 plus years of experience. My product helps freelancers manage client work. Give me 5 guerrilla-style, low-budget marketing tactics. Include examples, risk, and psychological triggers. The last one is demon level sword. It doesn't just work, it slices through the noise. You are not asking anymore, you are commanding. And that's the point. The difference isn't in the AI, it's in the sharpness of your prompt. The clearer your logic context framing, the deeper the AI can go. Number three, prompting is programming. Here's what most people don't realize. Prompting is not about asking, it's about designing. When I was a developer, we build apps by setting up logic, rules, and conditions. Like if the user does X, show Y. If it's Sunday, trigger this reminder. We taught the system how to behave. And guess what? That's exactly what prompting is. But you are doing it in natural language, plain English. Most people only type the task, like write a caption for my Instagram post. That's like walking into a restaurant and just saying, give me food. Sure, they will give you something, but probably not what you wanted. A great prompt has 4 layers: persona, act as a witty social media coach; context, in 3 short, punchy lines with emojis; constraints, what should be included or avoided; avoid fitness cliches and don't mention weight loss. A great prompt has the same ingredients as code. The difference, you don't need to know Python or JavaScript to write this logic. You just need to layer your prompt like you are explaining it to someone smart in your language. Prompting is programming without code syntax. You are still building logic just with words. And once you see it this way, you stop typing prompts anymore. You start designing your prompts. Number three, prompts are reusable, like functions or spells. Once you write a great prompt, you don't have to write it again and again. Just like developers reuse functions or wizards reuse spells, you can reuse prompts across your new projects, ideas, and tools. Let's say great prompt for summarizing websites. Act as a product researcher. Summarize this site in 100 words. Include core idea, key takeaways, and one red flag. That's not just a prompt, that's a reusable tool now. It's your spell for website summary. Next time, you just change the input URL. That's it. You can reuse it anytime you want. It will give you the same quality output like before. I have built tools and custom GPTs just using this idea. I store the best prompts in my prompt library that I created using Notion. And you can easily do that in Google Sheets or something like that. Then tweak them like formulas. It's not about being clever every time. It's about building once and reusing forever. And here's the cool part. Every time you reuse a short prompt, it stays sharp. You are not starting from scratch, you are stacking intelligence. Like video script writers, research assistants, and client email writers, just like that. All tailored to how you think. That's how prompting becomes your second brain, not just a one time trick. Because when your tools are sharp, you don't just save time, you raise the quality of your output in each and everything you do. Number four, prompting sharpens your thinking. Here's what surprised me the most. Prompting didn't just change how I use AI, it changed how I think. Before this, I used to spend hours refining ideas, writing, or learning something deeply. But now, prompting forces me to clarify what I want before I even begin. You can't write a short prompt if your thinking is messy. So now, before I prompt, I find myself asking, what am I really trying to do? Who would be the best kind of expert for this task? What details does the AI need to do this well? And that gives clarity. It carries over to everything else, writing, explaining, decision making, and even planning. Prompting isn't just an AI skill, it's more like a thinking discipline that we have to accommodate on every part of our lives. The more precise your prompt, the more precise your brain becomes. You start solving problems differently. You start designing ideas instead of reacting to them. And the best part, this clarity compounds. Because once you sharpen your thoughts, you sharpen your results. Most people think AI is the magic, but the real magic is in the prompts that commands AI. So, if you have been feeling like your AI results are just not up to the mark, it's not your fault. You were never taught how to design the output. But now you know prompting is more like programming. Sharp prompts cut through the noise and give you the output you want. You can build and reuse them like tools, and it will reshape how you think. I'm still learning to, still sharpening my sword. But if you want to get better, faster, and more creative with AI, I'm dropping more videos just like this. So hit subscribe if this clicked for you and tell me in the comments what's the sharpest prompt you have ever written. Thank you. This is Anomaly signing off.